Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and so I got this kit from Walmart.com. It was on clearance. It's Star Wars Crochet. I didn't realize that it's even more crochet because I was having a hard time recognizing some of the characters. But yeah, so I think this is like the second or third box. So it says the saga continues with 12 new projects. So let's see if you can see all these guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it looks like one of the starfighter guys and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so this kit, oh, let's turn it over. So it's normally $24.99 US dollars. I believe I got it for right around 12. So let's get crafting. Saga continues with Star Wars Even More Crochet. Get your crochet hook ready to stitch up a new collection of amigurumi patterns from the galaxy far, far away. Star Wars Even More Crochet includes 12 projects featuring characters from the original movies and fan favorites from episodes 7, The Force Awakens. Crafters are guided along by step-by-step instructions with more than 100 full color photos, plus a how-to section on crochet stitches and techniques. This kit contains everything you need to make 2 projects, a Jawa and a BB-8, including 6 colors of yarns, a crochet hook, 2 pairs of safety eyes, stuffing, and a metal tapestry needle. So this is Lucy Collin. Has combined her passion for designing creatures and characters with her love of science fiction and fantasy. She has created patterns for the book Hollywood Crochet and is the author of Star Wars Crochet. Lucy lives in West Sussex, England. So this is by Thunder Bay Press. So it looks like you could do Jawa, BB-8, Rey, Finn, Poe Dameron, Kylo Ren, and don't come after me if you are a Star Wars like fanatic and I'm saying these wrong, because yeah. I'm not reading the rest of these. I like Star Wars, don't get me wrong, it's just I'm not a fanatic. Like, I got this kit honestly because my sister and her kids love Star Wars, so I thought this would be a fun little thing to do for them when for Christmas or something like that. So let's go ahead and open this box. And I am going to work up one of these guys for you to let you know how. I'm not usually a huge fan of the yarn that they put in these kits. It's kind of, shall we say, the cheapest thing that you can send. But at the same time, they give you enough to do these projects, and that's okay. So just to work it up, I can tell you I will work it up with this yarn. I personally prefer to do amigurumis in cotton because they don't stretch as bad. I have a Pikachu that I did for my son that completely has started to stretch, so you can almost pull the stuffing out and all that. And I am a tight crocheter, so I guess the next thing I could have done is actually used a smaller hook to make it tighter, but I'm learning that with cotton it doesn't stretch as bad. But here is the needle, the yarn needle, as well as the safety eyes. That's really nice. Oh, they have, so just the plain black ones for him, and then they have black and brown ones for Jawa, I believe it is. So, and here's the book. These books are usually pretty self-explanatory, or well, So, not really self-explanatory. It's more of they're thorough. We'll put it that way. Here's Jawa. So I will let you know, though, as I work it up, how well the instructions work out. And there's the BB-8, of course. I just kind of showed you that. So, yeah. So, but yeah. So there's the book with all the, and I like that it comes in a book. A nice little book. So, I'll probably work up the Jawa first. I don't know. I might work them both up. Go ahead and just do them. Having kind of a slower moment in my Etsy shop, and I'm fine with that. Completely fine with that. Ah! So it comes with a 3.5mm crochet hook. I've had other kits come with a 3.25. Yeah, that's not going to focus for me. But it's just a regular crochet hook, metal. And then this stuffing, you guys, I'm not going to open this bag because I have one open already in my living room working on levies and stuff like that. But the stuffing is so soft and it separates in pieces as you need it so well. And it spreads apart nicely. I love the stuffing that comes in this, so I'm going to have to find some of that at the craft shop for those. And then we have the white, black, and brown. We have a little bit more of a different shade of brown. This one's like a coffee brown. This one's kind of like a mud brown. This is light gray. We got orange. And then I already showed you the eyes and the needle. So it comes with everything that you would need to make it in this nice convenient little box. I usually end up putting them in a bag or basket. I have baskets that I take back and forth from room to room as I'm crocheting. So let me go ahead and work this guy up, and I will let you know about the instructions and the booklet. This one, I'm noticing one difference already is that they actually have the number of stitches at the end. A few of the books haven't. I like to know how many stitches are supposed to be in a row or around at the end so that I can count it and make sure that I'm not making any mistakes. So I'm liking that so far with this one. And I believe this is US terms. Let's see. She is from England. Does it say? That's a good question. We'll pull through too. Okay, so it's US terms. You can tell by the way they describe each of the stitches. So, alright, I will see you guys in a moment. So I was going to do a little video music montage of me making this little guy, but sitting here at my desk, it was not about to happen to make this little guy. So he turned out really well. There was quite a bit of sewing. His arms, the belt, his little hood here I had to sew on. But other than that, the pattern was very thorough, very sweet. Of course, my son has already decided that he stands up on his own. And then, yeah, he's super cute. You see how small he is? Let's see if I can find my measuring tape. Yeah, I have one of these. So he's only about 3.5, almost 4 inches tall, 3 3/4 inches tall. So he's super tiny, but super adorable. So I will get to work on the rest of these guys, and hopefully I can have these done by Christmas to send to my sister. But if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. He doesn't have any thumbs. And subscribe to my channel for more kit reviews like this, and we'll see you later. Bye!